Jax here from Legend Brands. I'm very excited to introduce the DefendAir 400 HEPA Air Scrubber. At one of the lowest price points in the industry, gone are the days of sacrificing quality for affordability, as it's backed by the only built-in-America cleaning and restoration brand, Dry-Ease. Now, what I love about the DefendAir 400 is that it's rugged, lightweight, stackable, with a simple design that's easy to use. A top control panel that focuses on what matters, letting you know when the unit's powered, running, and if necessary, needs a filter change. That's it. When I'm in the field, I'm a firm believer that simple is better. Let's talk applications. The DefendAir 400 is a multi-purpose tool for water damage, construction, carpet cleaning, even abatement. And it can be taken anywhere from light industrial settings to schools, clean rooms, hospitality venues, healthcare environments, manufacturing, basically wherever highly portable, efficient HEPA filtration is needed. It has advanced two-stage filtration technology, and for better air filtration coverage, you can daisy chain up to 5 units on one 15-amp circuit. It's also easily ductable for containments. The DefendAir 400 HEPA Air Scrubber is one of my favorite new additions to our lineup.
Told you it was a great tool.
You told me?
Yeah, I did.
No, you
You'd
did
never
not.
listen.
I told you it was.
Girls!
I'm not looking back.
Me neither.
Subscribe to learn more. Legend Brands.
Jax, where are you going?
You two are driving me nuts.